Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear audience, good afternoon. How are you all? I hope you are fine. This is Sajjad Islam in front of you. My class 3 and my ID number is 1325. At first, I would like to thank for our honorable teacher giving me the opportunity to see something about my about my topic. My topic is the numerous benefits of the internet. So, we live in an age where the internet has become an integral part of our daily life. So, transforming the way we communicate, learn, and work activities and entertain ourselves. You can't survive one day without it. I believe that it's hard to imagine a world without it. In my today's presentation, I will be exploring the many benefits of the internet in various aspects to continuous to and drive innovation and progress. So the most benefit of the internet is fast and free access to any information. I like it especially because via the internet I can talk about uh, with different people around the world. Because on other hand, a student can learn things from uh, many things from universities or college. So the detailed admission procedure, tuition fee, academic calendar, academic curriculum, etc. are usually found in the website of a college or a university. You can ask me how it's possible. I would say it's possible because the internet causes massive globalization and the world business develops rapidly because of it. So we should try to boost our business via the internet. In the summary, I can say that the internet has truly revolutionized our world, bringing countless benefits. So it is enhancing our communication and exchanging information within a nanosecond. I hope this presentation has highlighted how the internet can be a powerful tool for all kinds of human beings. Thank you, all my friends. Thank you for being with me. Assalamu alaikum.